International Day for Disaster Risk Reduction, 13th October. International Day for Disaster Risk Reduction began in 1989 after a call by the United Nations General Assembly for a day to promote a global culture of risk awareness and disaster reduction. Held every 13th October, the day celebrates how people and communities around the world are reducing their exposure to disasters and raising awareness about the importance of reining in the risks that they face. Aim. The main aim is to provide a platform to all governments, local governments, disaster management agencies, UN agencies, NGOs, Red Cross and Red Crescent societies, civil society groups, businesses, academic and scientific institutions, etc., to raise awareness about the economic consequences of the failure to manage disaster risk, mainly for vulnerable groups and middle-income countries. History. The United Nations General Assembly designated October 13 as the International Day for Natural Disaster Reduction as part of its proclamation of the International Decade for Natural Disaster Reduction. In 2002, by a further resolution, the General Assembly decided to maintain the annual observance as a vehicle to promote a global culture of natural disaster reduction, including prevention, mitigation, and preparedness. In 2009, the UN General Assembly decided to designate October 13 as the official date for this day and also changed the name to International Day for Disaster Reduction. United Nations Office for Disaster Risk Reduction is headquartered in Geneva, Switzerland, and they have offices in most of the major cities of the world to reduce disaster risk and build safer and resilient communities. Since the issue of disaster reduction requires efforts from all the arenas of the society, that is media, civil society, public and private sectors, UNISDR works with all the stakeholders on a global level to address the issue. Disaster risk reduction. United Nations suggests that there are no natural disasters, only natural hazards. The main objective of disaster risk reduction is to minimize through prevention and the damage caused by natural occurrences such as earthquakes, floods, etc. The severity of damage by a natural hazard depends on how much impact it has on the society and environment. In turn, the magnitude of this impact depends on the choices humans make for their lives and their environment. These choices can be as simple as how we grow our food and where we build our houses. Every choice that one makes has the capacity to make humans either more resilient or more vulnerable to the impending hazards. Therefore, disaster risk reduction focuses on the causal factors to reduce the disasters. These include minimizing the exposure to hazards, reducing the degree of vulnerability of people and property to these disasters. Proper management of land and environmental resources, improving preparedness of the community to deal with the disasters, and issuing of early warning for all such disastrous events. Disaster risk reduction is a multi-pronged discipline. It encompasses many areas such as disaster management, disaster mitigation, disaster preparedness, and also sustainable development. Sendai 7 campaign. Sendai 7 campaign was launched in 2016 by UNDRR, which is centered on the 7 targets of the Sendai framework. It has 38 indicators for measuring progress on reducing disaster losses. Sindhi 7 campaign is an opportunity for all, including governments, local governments, community groups, civil society organizations, private sector and international organizations, etc., to promote at all levels across all the sectors to reduce disaster risk and disaster losses. Observance. Activities for the International Day for Natural Disaster Reduction usually include media announcements about launches for campaigns that center on the day's theme. Government and communities also take part in the International Day for Natural Disaster Reduction through various events such as drawing, drama, essay or photography competitions that focus on making people aware of natural disaster reduction and increasing their preparedness for such situations. Other activities include community tree planting, conferences, fairs and seminars, and street parades.